Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mirza Zuhaib Beg and you are watching my channel. So today I'm going to explain the next order of class amphibians. So today the order name is order Gymnophiona. Gymnophiona. So this one is the order of Sicilians, as you can see in this image. That is a Sicilians group. So that's why today I'm explaining the limbless amphibians. So limbless amphibians जो है वो क्या होते हैं, इस order Gymnophiona को order Gymnophiona क्यों कहते हैं, इसके कौन कौन से characteristics हैं, ये सारे अभी हमने इसी में discuss करने हैं. So the first character, they are the limbless. The body is segmented. The segments are present in the body just like the earthworm body. So the rudimentary left lung, that is reduced kind of lung and pointed tail in me, and the burrowing activity here almost 160 लगभग जो है वो इसकी speech biodiversity है, and there about the body is about elongated. So this is something as about Gymnophion, not the totally about the Gymnophions. So Sicilians, first of all, habitat joint, mostly tropical regions, that regions that are very warm climate, and these are the worm-like organisms. So that's why they shows they develop the burrows inside the soil or inside the substratum. So these organisms are called the worm-like burrows. So nutrition, according to nutrition, they obtain their food from the invertebrates organisms like the body structure. When we discuss about the body structure is divided into segments. So that's why they are also called the segmented worms. And there is not a segmentation is present outer region. There is a segmentation also present inside the body of the muscles. So muscle bundles are arranged in the segments. So that's why they divide the body into the separate segments. So another character, very different character present in case of these Gymnophions or Sicilians. This is the character of the retractile tentacles. What do you say about retractile tentacle? It is a kind of tentacle. It is a type of tentacle that is present between the eyes and nostrils. Nostrils and eyes के दरमियान में ये जो है वो present होता है tentacle, और इसका काम होता है it play the role in olfaction, that is a sense of smell. So because of sense of smell इसका action है. So air sampling करता है, जो भी chemicals होते हैं उनको receive करता है और then बताता है कि कितनी दूर कोई prey है, और उस direction में ये undulatory movement, accordion movement जो है वो show करती है. So eyes जो है skin इनकी cover करती है eyes को, इस वजह से ये almost blind होते हैं. Fertilization body के अंदर development जो है larva जो है जब pass करता है oviduct से, तो then oviduct से pass करता है तो वहीं पर fertilization होती है, और then वहीं से female जो है female की body से बाहर आता है, तो ये just like the adult होता है. There is not a big difference between the adult and the larvas of Sicilians. So some Sicilians lay eggs. The Sicilians that lays the eggs, they develop their larvae are the aquatic, and the larvae develop inside the aquatic environment. And this larva, when this larva is changed into the embryo, this embryo move toward the land. So this is about the development in Sicilian. So this is Sicilian. Okay. The body is segmented like this. There is a proper segmentation is present. Eyes is covered by the skin foldings. So another Sicilian is another with another color. The next one is about the order Anura. Anura, A mean without, aura mean tail. So without tail ये organisms हैं क्योंकि इनमें tail मौजूद नहीं होती. Tailless amphibians and limbs are modified for jumping, swimming. Tympanum and larynx is well developed. Tympanum is the middle layer. You can say that it is a tympanic membrane that produce the sound, or you can say that present in the middle ear, or you can say that present between the external and middle ear. So the next one is the post-sacral fused vertebrae है जो इनमें present होता है. This is called urostyle. Skeleton के अंदर हम पढ़ेंगे. Urostyle जो है वो posteriorly जो sacral vertebrae होते हैं, they are fused with each other and form a pointed structure. This is called as a urostyle that provide the support in case of frogs, in case of toads. The number of species, very diverse species. The largest biodiversity containing order in the class amphibian is the order Anura. Almost 3,500 species existed in this group. So the 5 to 9 pre-sacral vertebrae transverse process present है जो fusion से रोकता है, और effusion of the vertebral column से रुकता है, और ज़्यादातर जो है वो moist habitat में डेजर्ट्स के अंदर रहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल फ्रॉग, टोड्स जो हैं ये सर्वाइव करते हैं टेरेस्ट्रियल कंडीशंस में. लाइफ साइकिल, फर्टिलाइजेशन बॉडी की एक्सटर्नल होती है, डेवलपमेंट एग एंड आर एग जो है वो लार्वा में चेंज होता है, और लार्वा इनके भी एक्वेटिक होते हैं, बिकॉज सो दैट्स व्हाई you can say that the frog move to inside the water for the fertilization, because fertilization also take place inside the water in case of frog, and then development also take place in inside the water. And the larva that develop from the egg is called as a tadpole larva. Tadpole larva, there are some characteristics of tadpole larva. For example, the first character, well developed tail है, लिम्स यहाँ पर नहीं होते इनके, और ऐसी जैसे फिश के फ्राई होता है बिल्कुल वैसे ही नजर आ रहे होते हैं. लिम्स डेवलप नियर द एंड ऑफ लार्वा स्टेज में है. लार्वा हर्बीवोर होता है, एल्गी वगैरह को अपनी खुराक बनाता है, प्रोटीनेशियस की बीक होती है, और मेटामॉर्फोसिस के नतीजे में अडल्ट फॉर्मेशन होती है. हियर इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फ्रॉग एंड टोड. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फ्रॉग एंड टोड? Very important short question. So frog are large in size, toad are small in size. Frog mostly spend their life inside the water, but toad mostly spend their life inside the terrestrial conditions. The next one is about the difference on the basis of the limbs. In case of frog, the forelimbs are shorter, the first limbs are shorter, but the hind limbs, the hind limbs, that are the legs, the lower legs, they are large. These legs are large in size. But in case of toads, all the four limbs are same in size. The skin is transparent and very smooth and very secretions skin, that you can say that secrete the secretion, sticky secretion. But in case of frog, the skin is warty, dry. Warty mean उसमें उभार से उभरी हुई सरफेस होती है. सो मोस्टली येलो ग्रीन इन कलर होता है, जबकि टोड जो है वो ब्राउन येलो कलर शो करता है. फैमिली रानिडी है, रेनिडी भी बोलते हैं, कॉमन इसको फ्रॉग बोलते हैं. और जो टोड है उसकी फैमिली बफोनिडी है. बफोनिडी जो है वो उसमें ट्रू टोड्स आ जाते हैं. सो दिस इज अबाउट फ्रॉग. This is a frog, the pointed snout, pointed head, the body is uplifted from the substratum, and these are the longer hind limbs but shorter forelimbs. So body is spotted with the help of different chromatophores. And this one is the toad. That the body of the toad consists of a small warty skin, and it is a condition where it live like inside the caves, inside the terrestrial conditions, inside the holes into the soil. So this is tree frog, very beautiful frog, very attractive frog, colorful frog. And micro frog, what do you say about micro frog? Micro frog is smaller than your two digits, finger, not the digits, it is smaller than your two fingers. So this is the pattern, this is the kind of frogs and toads that are present in this order Anura. So today this was the lecture, and इंशाल्लाह हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में नेक्स्ट जो है इसकी डिस्क्रिप्शन लेके हाजिर होंगे. तब तक के लिए इजाजत दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफिज.